So we will end the lesson. A trip to Andaman, part 2 will start off it. Okay, 7th class children, let's start our class.
A trip to Andaman. Longing. Noun. What are the meanings of it we are seeing? Strong desire or feeling. Vanish, disappear. Treating, curing an illness or injury. Inhabited, lived. Aboriginal, adjective, form of it. Original people belonging to a place. Creek is a noun. A narrow area of water where the sea flows into the land. Coral reefs is a noun. A hard substance that is red, pink or white in colors that forms on the bottom of the sea. Ferry, noun. A boat or ship that carries people, goods, vehicles across a river.
How well did I read it? Understood children? Fill in the boxes with yes or no. It's your wish. I enjoyed reading the passage. Yes. I got the idea of the passage on my own. Yes. I got the idea with the help of my friends in the group. No. The teacher helped me to understand the passage. Yes. I used the glossary given at the end of the passage. Yes. Okay, all the 5 answers like that. Take the correct answer. How did the author feel when the windows and the doors of their cabinets were closed? The author felt that the ship is sinking. The author felt uncomfortable. The author did not feel the movement of ship. The author felt the fast movement of the ship. Write the answers. Take the correct answer. The most favorable time to visit Andaman is winter, spring, summer or monsoon. Third one. Why did the family, this is your homework, why did the family go to Andaman? To learn about aborigines, to watch how foreigners enjoy themselves, to explore the tourist spot, to view only the sea beaches. This is a homework, all 3 questions, okay? Next, let's see the vocabulary for today. Find the antonyms of the following words from the text and write them in your notebooks. Also write 1 sentence for each of the word and its antonyms. Impossible, suddenly, ugly, bright, tasteless, above, dim, hostile, cloudy, notorious. Write the antonyms of the following. The answers also. Impossible, opposite, possible. Antonym means opposites. Okay. Suddenly, slowly, ugly, beautiful, bright, dim, tasteless, tasty, dim, bright, above, below, hostile, friendly, cloudy, clear, notorious, decent. Clear? Next is the fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of words given in the brackets. They can be both as nouns and verbs. The answers are on the next slide. The volleyball team of our school dash 4 matches. The 4th day's dash was excellent. Lata dash a lot of problems. I am sorry to see tears on her lovely face. Got it? My daughter said, Grandpa, you look very sweet when I see a dash on your face. When I see a smile on your face. On hearing this, Grandpa smiled at once. Suresh hoped that he would pass the examination, but his hopes disappeared when he saw the question paper. 5th one, last but not the least. When I answered a question correctly, the English teacher patted me on my back and said, well done, Smarty. Her pat made me feel very happy and proud. Got it? The answers are here only, all 5. Is it clear? Read it once, a passage one more time, write the answers properly. For homework for today. Learn and write the antonyms of the words above. Second one, dim. Third one, tasteless. The answers are in this class only, right? 2 or 3 slides back. Hostile, notorious. 5 words only, 5. Easy homework, isn't it? Write the antonyms, make your own meaningful proper sentences, learn it with good sentences. I want this 5 as homework by evening, 5:30. Okay, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you children. See you.